Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this reading we'll be having a glimpse or a look into what's going on in your personal as well as professional life. So I'll be taking one card for your energies. So one card for your energy. Okay, the King of Swords. So now one card for your professional life. What's going on in your professional life? One card for your professional life. Okay, the Four of Swords. Okay. So the best course of action, any advice or message on the professional life is the Four of Wands. Okay. On your, let's have a look at your personal life now. Six of Pentacles is the card for your personal life. And let's have any guidance, best course of action in the personal life is the Six of Wands. Okay. So with the King of Swords as being your general energy, you're the overall energy, you are detached, feeling detached, or you have detached, whatever it is, there is some sort of detachment from others in at least some specific situation. So there is an energy of keeping people at a distance, being in your own power, but yes, you're not letting anybody mess with you. You're keeping people at a distance, and that is your energy. Maybe there is a lack of communication in some aspect, but yes, keeping at a distance, your defenses are high. Okay, it's something like that. When you are not communicating much, not investing much in a situation, there is something cold about this situation. That is what, and yes, your guards are up. So that is what it is. Less communication, uh, no passion, and there is lack of communication. So overall, the energy is you are detached, or feeling detached, or you have you yourself have taken that decision. Okay, let's see what is this King of Swords about. What is this King of Swords about? So, for the King of Swords, we have the Ace of Swords, ooh, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Ten of Cups. Ooh. So, there seems to be, or at least you wanted, I don't know. We have the Ace of Swords, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Ten of Cups. So, this is a new beginning, a clarity coming in. There is a communication coming in, perhaps for a new beginning, or a clarity in mind coming in for a new beginning, which you are offering or to someone you want to have a commitment with, or a happiness with, or a relationship with, a family with. So a clarity or a communication, this is a fresh beginning with two aces here. It is definitely a fresh beginning or a new beginning for something stable coming up, a long term and a stable uh, commitment. It is obviously a commitment. We have the Ten of Cups. So there is happiness, there is long-term commitment coming in, and there is a clarity which you want. At least this is what you want. Though you are not communicating right now, or the energy is very cold in this situation or in this scenario, but this is actually perhaps what you wanted or you want, or it is coming up. But right now, the energy doesn't seem to be in this favor. It is either you wanted this, or you still want it, or it is coming up, whatever it is. But right now the general energy is detached, not communicating, not investing. There's no passion, no communication, nothing of that sort. It is a very cold type of an energy. But yes, maybe that new beginning is coming up, because Pentacles talk about new beginnings. Sorry, the aces talk about new beginnings. So it is a new beginning maybe which is coming up, perhaps then, or you're dealing with such a situation. Let's see. Here we have, this is your professional front. This is the Four of Swords. So this is on the professional front. I think you are just lying low, doing what you feel is right, whatever is necessary, you are doing it. But yes, you are giving things time because of a certain situation. You are not actively very pro and invested in it. You are doing things as they come. It's something like that. You've surrendered yourself to a situation because of some reason, and you are just giving it time, taking things slow. I can say that you're taking things slow, just doing whatever is necessary over here with the Four of Swords. What is this Four of Swords here on the professional front for Pisces? So for that we have the Eight of Cups, the Eight of Pentacles, and the Seven of Swords. So on the work front, what I feel is the Eight of Cups, the Eight of Pentacles, and the Seven of Swords. you have surrendered in a situation on the work front, or you are just not that passionate and not investing that much on the work front, and you are letting go of it. You are letting go on something which was very important at some point in time. You really worked hard on it because somebody here has been mean to you. Somebody has some sort of manipulation has been done on the work front, some sort of cheating has been done on the work front, and you are trying to heal from it. So somebody has done this to you, somebody has cheated or manipulated, somebody has caused some sort of harm to you. Okay, and you are, this is the time you are giving yourself to heal, to let go of the suffering, let go of what has troubled you, and you are really working hard on that. That says you, maybe this is what you were really working hard on. It was your work front. You used to work hard so much, you were really putting it your 100%. But since somebody has cheated, or something has, maybe somebody has taken away some information from you, or taken the has it's like somebody is getting away with something. Okay, maybe in the behavior aspect, maybe actually they have taken some information from you and damaged you in some way, and you are trying to heal from it basically. Okay, since it is a sword, maybe somebody has said something to you which you didn't like. So somebody has behaved in a way or taken away some information. Maybe this person has been, they have the habit of getting away with whatever they feel is right. Okay, doing what they feel is right, something like that. But the thing is, you have really worked hard in this situation, and now you're working hard to let it go. You have suffered some sort of a manipulation or a cheating, something sneaky in at your work front, and now you're just letting it go and healing yourself. That is what you are doing here. The best course of action is the Four of Wands. So this is, uh, I don't know what, we'll see the clarifiers, but overall it is a very good card. Stability, happiness, building up the stable foundations for yourself. I don't know how it's going to shape up. Let's see. Let's have the clarifiers here. What is this Four of Wands about as the best course of action? What should the Pisces do? So we have the Queen of Cups, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Nine of Pentacles. So what I feel here is, to have a happiness and stability for yourself, the best course of action is, see, this is, you are very, very emotional about whatever it is on the work front, but things are changing. And with the Nine of Pentacles, you are focusing on yourself, you're focusing on your self-worth, you're empowering yourself. That's what I feel. And the things are changing. These things will bring happiness and balance to your life. That's what I feel. With the Queen of Cups and the Wheel, this is something which you are very, very passionate about. You have a lot of emotions for the work you do. Since we are talking about the professional front, things are changing and you are becoming happy. So if you are trying to heal here and trying to focus on yourself, you will be able to get back to par. That's what it is. Things will change, you will get back to par. You will get back to par, you will feel happy, you will achieve your stability and happiness, and long-term stability and happiness on the work front. Things will change, you will come out of this energy. Yes. So the best course of action is, keep focusing on yourself, keep doing what you are doing, keep working. Okay, even if you're taking it slow as for now, it's okay. Things will change and you will emerge victorious, you will emerge happy, you will emerge powerful. Okay, things will be happy and stable for you. You will achieve your stability once again. Now let's talk about the personal front. With the Six of Pentacles, you are trying to balance something. There is a need to balance something, and that is what you are working on. You are working on balancing something. Let's see what is the Six of Pentacles on the personal front. So we have the Fool, the Ten of Swords, and the Three of Wands. So yes, you are taking a leap of faith, you're surrendering yourself, you're trying to sort out something and balance something, and here you are done with something. You're completing a cycle, taking a leap of faith, moving towards something new. Definitely you're turning your back to something. You're trying to balance your life. That's what I feel. Here also we have the Nine of Pentacles, sort of being empowered, being single, sort of focusing on yourself. And here also, whatever, I think you're trying to sort out your life or balance your life here. Okay, and what I feel here is, you are taking a leap of faith, you are surrendering yourself to the time. Okay, let's see what happens in life. You are completing a cycle here with the Ten of Swords, and you are moving towards something new. That's what I feel. You're moving in a different direction. New, at least in that sense, you're moving, turning your back to whatever was there in the past and moving towards something new in a different direction. Like it's a turning point of your life. You can say you're turning your back to something and moving towards, okay, now I'll move in that direction and let's see what happens. So you want a new, you're moving towards a new life for yourself, and that is how you're balancing your life. Definitely you are taking a leap of faith. It is something new, that this is a new beginning towards a new direction after completing whatever this cycle was in your life. And here we have the Four of Wands, and here we have the Six of Wands. So Six of Wands is victory, celebrations, happiness. So this is coming up as the best course of action. So how is this that this person, the Pisces, are achieving this happiness? What is the Six of Wands about? The Magician, the Death and Rebirth, and the Hierophant. What's this? So the best course of action is, we have the Magician, the Death and Rebirth, and the Hierophant. These are three major cards out here, and this is not something which can be ignored. It is destined. This is you being in a position to manifest new beginnings in your life. With the Death and Rebirth, yes, whatever was there in the past is ending, and now new things are coming up. It's a transition, it is a change. And with the Hierophant being there, it is again the stability and the commitment coming in. This is the long-term foundations here you are building up. Things are changing here. With the Wheel of Fortune, you are feeling super empowered over here. You're letting go of the past, moving towards the future, manifesting something new in your life, and here you are achieving this happiness and victory. So you will be victorious in whatever you are manifesting here. What do you, definitely you are manifesting a new life for yourself. Whatever has ended, but yes, it is giving birth to something new, and that new is as beautiful as the Hierophant. It is stable, it is committed, it is, if it is a relationship, it is marriage. There's a long-term commitment coming in. There's a long-term commitment, a stability, and things are, whatever has to end is ending, but yes, new, something beautiful is coming in. It's, any more advices? The Knight of Pentacles, the Ace of Wands, and the Star. Okay, so we have quite a few major cards in this reading. So yes, it is a significant time of your life, and it's your birthday month, Pisces. Happy damn birthday to all of you. So we have the Knight of Pentacles, the Ace of Wands, and the Star. So this is something which was moving very, very slow in your life. And here comes in the new beginning with the Ace of Wands. So we have the Ace of Swords, we have the Ace of Pentacles, now we have the Ace of Wands. So this is, there is definitely a new beginning, a time of new beginnings in your life. Things were perhaps moving very, very slow. Now it's your wishes, this new beginning is leading to wish fulfillment. This new beginning is going to make your dreams come true, Pisces. So it's a beautiful reading, Pisces. I'm so happy. It's my birthday also. So I just hope it comes true. Anyway, so I hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.